Chartered Wealth Manager Certificate in Wealth Management or CWM is a professional course that equips finance professionals with proper knowledge and training related to wealth management. Yes, today in this video I will be talking about career in CWM, Certificate in Wealth Management or Chartered Wealth Manager. In this video, I will be discussing about its eligibility, its salary part, its recruiters, as well as subjects which are there in CWM course. As well as I will be discussing about the job roles which are there in this particular field. So do watch this video till the end and be a part of Rohitji's counseling. And thanks for all your love and support which I'm getting in the form of your queries, and I promise that I will try to solve all your queries related to any career options. Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohitji's Counseling. Today in this video I will be discussing about career in CWM or Chartered Wealth Manager. But before starting this video, I have a request that the people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos which are related to career and motivation videos. Now, if we talk about the CWM, that is Chartered Wealth Manager or Career Certificate in Wealth Management. Those who want to take up wealth management as a career can pursue it after completing their HSC or graduation, or even after they are working somewhere. That means it is not necessary that they should go for this particular course after HSC or graduation. They can even working professionals also can opt for this particular course to enhance your career prospects. In India especially, wealth management as a career is at initial stages but is projected to grow rapidly in the coming years. So it has a huge scope. People who want to opt for this career have a huge scope in the coming years. Now if we talk about the eligibility part, what is the eligibility for this particular certificate or Chartered Wealth Management course? It is one of the most popular courses offered by most professional entities in India, that like ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, AIWMI, Ematicus, Liman, etc. These are the various institutes, professional entities which are offering this particular course. So minimum eligibility for entering into this particular course is you should qualify the HSC with a work experience, while candidates with higher educational qualifications like graduates, postgraduates and MBAs can receive better positions with higher remuneration. Candidates with their BTech, BSc, MCA, BCA degree can also pursue for this particular course. Now if we talk about what are the subjects which are there in this particular course, so these are the list of subjects which are there in this course, and these subjects you need to learn while pursuing this course, while pursuing this career. So take a note of these subjects which are there in this particular course. After looking at the subjects, now we should move towards the job roles. What are the various roles which are being offered in this particular course? So first is develop new business relationship, assess the client's profile and assist them in financial requirements, maintain communication with their clients, maintain record of each transaction, whether it be cash or whether it be credit transactions of their clients, promote cross-selling with the tie-ups with different kinds of banks, ensure compliance with banks' policies, procedures and regulations. So these are various roles which are there which you have to perform while pursuing this career. Now if you talk about the salary part, that is the major concern of every candidate who is pursuing any kind of course. So salary is, the average salary in India for a wealth manager or a relationship manager is around 5.4 lakhs per annum. But it depends on your education and qualification, the background from where you are coming. So I will be telling the breakup of the approximate salary of all the positions which I am having the data. But it is approximate, it is not exact or real salary. So for BE candidate, it's 11 lakh per annum. For simple BCom graduate, it's 5.2 lakhs per annum. For BTech candidate, it is rupees 7 lakhs per annum. For BBA, it's rupees 4.4 lakh per annum. For BSc graduate, it's 6.5 lakhs per annum. For BA and MBA candidates, it's 10 lakhs per annum. For MBA finance candidate, it's 11 lakhs per annum. For MBA marketing candidate, it's 12 lakhs per annum. For candidate of Master of Finance, it's 5 lakhs per annum. For MCA candidate, it's 10 lakh per annum. So these are the approximate salary or average salary I told you. These are not the exact figures. Okay, so it depends majorly on your skills, majorly on your background. Now, if you talk about the recruiters, who all are the recruiters who will recruit the candidates for CWM positions? The recruiters are Investnet, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Reliance Adac, Bajaj Capital Limited, UBS, ICICI Securities, HSBC Electronic Data Processing India Limited. So these are the some recruiters, top recruiters who are recruiting the candidates who have completed their CWM course. So a huge scope is there because the names are of recruiters are itself giving you an idea that what kind of package you will get from these recruiters. Now, if you talk about the institute from where you can pursue this particular course, so the top or the major institute in India is AAFM India, American Academy of Financial Management of India. For further details related to this particular course, you can check the website also. The website is www.cwmindia.com. So friends, this was a video, short video on CWM certification in wealth management. So if you like this video, do give me thumbs up, do give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Even don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.